When in routine maintenance, there is not a need for notification alerts, as they can appear to be additional noise. HPE OneView Maintenance Mode allows for the suppression of SNMP traps and email notifications generated through routine maintenance windows. This feature, along with the integration of the remote HTML5 ILO console into HPE OneView, have increased the speed, efficiency, and simplicity of resolving alerts for IT admins. Let's turn on maintenance mode and showcase the integrated remote HTML5 ILO console. From the dashboard, navigate to the server hardware. A failure alert has come into the HPE OneView console. A second alert was received, and we have been notified with 2 emails. Click the email alert to learn more. Let's place email alerts into maintenance mode to suppress the alerts that may be viewed as noisy. In the Actions menu, select Enable Maintenance Mode. Confirm enabling. Notice, doing this does not affect normal server or profile operations. A wrench icon appears next to the servers with maintenance mode enabled and is indicated on their profile. A third alert was just generated by HPE OneView. Click on our email client to see if we received another email. With maintenance mode enabled, there is no new email alerts in our inbox. Concurrently, this will pause HPE OneView remote support data collection. Let's close out. Let's launch the remote HTML5 ILO console, now integrated into HPE OneView console, to resolve alerts quickly. Now we can quickly do operations at the OS level. When complete, exit. We can disable maintenance mode to start email alerts again. Monitoring alerts is a necessary function of any infrastructure management solution, but routine maintenance alerts can appear as unnecessary noise. HPE OneView Maintenance Mode and the newly integrated remote HTML5 ILO console means spending less time reviewing and resolving alerts and more time focusing on business opportunities.